Just so you know who the fuck his daddy is.
Okay, you just gotta make sure you don't pinch the tube when you air it up. Double check this joint ain't gonna pinch it. Soap ain't gonna damage the gold. Just for lubrication purposes. And you gotta be careful on this step not to lose the valve stem. Because if it falls back up in there, your ass gonna have to pop the rim back off. I mean, pop the tire off the rim again. I want to double check if that valve core is tight. And then you just want to keep checking. The tube is obviously airing up in there. You want to go slow, make sure you don't get no pinch. That's why tubes, it just kind of sucks to get them on there. Actually, a lot of people use tubes because they can't get the cheetahs. That air coming out is just the relief air. Now, you could pop the tube, don't get me wrong. And some say you could put more air with a tube, like it'll hold more pressure. I believe we overpressurize these anyway, so believe what you want to believe. There we go, both sides. The bead is seated. Well, it's not even seated because it don't matter. Now the only thing is, if we ended up pinching the tube, we'll find out here shortly. I'm gonna put. What you running in here? 50? 50? Yeah. But hell yeah, there we go. We installed the tube, y'all. Bam, ready to go. We'll get a little chrome cap action. Hold on, let me see. I know I got one here somewhere. Oh yeah. We ain't got a gold, but we can put the little chrome sleeve on there. Oh, does it fit? Yeah, it fits. Oh, it's a little fat. That's what she said. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh man, god damn. Hold on, cuz. The chrome sleeve might not work. Dang. We'll just put the chrome cap in. We try to hook my boy up, but it is what it is. Bingo. There we go.